Hi, Princeton. Guess what? It's it time. It's it time. You know what time it is. It's it time for the pasta. And you like this pasta. You're gonna love this pasta. This pasta gonna be like a sensation that you'll never, ever, ever had. You're gonna love daddy's pasta. You're gonna love the daddy's pasta. See, you're getting excited. But this is a normal thing. When I say I'm making my pasta, everybody get excited. You get excited. You're gonna get excited for the meal. Yes, of course you're gonna get excited because you know that the daddies are making the pasta. And when daddy makes it the pasta, he makes it the pasta with the garlic flavored bread. Oh, you like it, the garlic flavored bread. And then he makes some pasta with some voluptuous meat. And he seasons it just right. And you're gonna love my pasta. Because you know why? It'll give you the biggest sensation like your first kiss. Like your first video game. But this, oh, this is gonna be forever. Because you're gonna try to make your daddy's a pasta. And unless I tell you how I make my pasta, you're not gonna know. Okay, we're gonna try the pasta, okay?